Hello guys, this is a review of my new USB microphone that I got online. It is a Trust Mico USB microphone and I got it for about 20 euro. It is a very affordable mic, nothing special. I had never really heard of the Trust brand before. This is a nice box, however it feels very light. Let's see what's inside now. I'm opening the box. I have previously cut the seals on the top of the box. Alright. There it is. Here on the back of the box you can see that we have a microphone stand included as well as an USB adapter. The microphone also has a 3.5mm jack. Here we have the legal and compliance information for the warranty, nothing really interesting. I also found this instructions manual in the box. It has pictures of how you can set up the microphone. It's pretty much straightforward. You set it on the tripod, you plug in the 3.5mm jack in your PC, or you plug in the USB adapter. There's also how you can install the device on Microsoft Windows 7, 8 and 10. On the back there is also the URL to the FAQ page on the Trust site. Now let's get the microphone set up. There is the cable. We also have the USB adapter here. Let me just open this up. There it is, the USB adapter. It's basically a USB sound card. You can plug in headphones as well as a microphone here. Now here's the microphone itself. It's nothing really special. It has a nice rubbery feel. It has some kind of serial number. You can see it right there. It's quite nice actually, black and blue. Now there is the tripod. Now let's set up the tripod. That's it. There's nothing much to it. Just stick the microphone on the top and point it at your face. It has quite a long cable, so it can reach the back of your PC tower or laptop. It is 1.8 meters long. I haven't measured it, but I trust the box here. I have the manufacturer's site here opened on the products page. Here you can find the microphone specs and technical information, as well as that FAQ. Well, this is the microphone setup and plugged in. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.